Sorry. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Hunt YouTube channel in English. This is Swarna. Today the video is all about WhatsApp. Is there anyone not knowing about the WhatsApp? I don't think so. Right from the kids to elder people, everyone knows about the WhatsApp. It became such a most popular app. Why it became such a most popular app? We can do the video calls, we can do the voice calls, we can do the text messages, we can do the voice messages, and in coming months we can do the payments even. What else we can't do in the WhatsApp? That's why it became such a most popular app. And all this we are getting in absolutely a free app. It is also having the advantage of either using the mobile data or the Wi-Fi. How safe is the WhatsApp? Of course it is safe when we are done with some secured setting. Let's have a look at the settings. Firstly, I want to talk about the contact list. When we have a look at the contact list, each and every person's contact list will be in hundreds. Definitely, it won't be in tens. When we go through the list of those contacts, definitely we will be coming across few person names. Who is this person? Who is this person? We don't remember them much. For the time being, we will save their numbers and we'll forget to delete their numbers. But they will be still existing in our contact list. And whatever the status or profile photo, whatever you are keeping, it will be visible to each and every person in your contact list. It may not be the secured one, and you don't want others to have a look at your WhatsApp status or the profile photo, whatever you're keeping. What you can do that time? Just simply you can block them in your WhatsApp contact list. Let me show you how to block them in your contact list. Go to the contact list in WhatsApp, select the name which you want to block, and go to the three dots, select the option more, and you can block them and confirm the block. Secondly, I want to discuss about the profile photo. I would like to suggest to keep your profile photo as simple as you can because of some security reason. You can do some changes in your WhatsApp settings. What you can do in that? Let me show you. Go to settings, account, privacy, second option profile photo. If you click on that, you can see three options: everyone, my contacts, and nobody. Everyone means everyone can see your profile photo. It means if you have not saved the contact number, even that person can see your profile photo. My contacts means the contacts which you have saved, only the persons can see the profile photo. Nobody means no one can see the profile photo. Choose according to your wish. And third, I want to discuss about the two-step verification, which is very important to each and every person who is using the WhatsApp. Why do we need to do this two-step verification? Why means simple. It keeps your account very safely. No one can hack your account without your permission. That's why it is very important to each and everyone who is using the WhatsApp. Let me show you how to do this two-step verification. Go to settings and account and click on the two-step verification. Here you just enable it and it will ask the password 6 digit. You just give the 6 digit pin and confirm it. After confirming the pin, it will ask for the email ID. Enter the email ID. Click on the next. You confirm the email ID, it will show like this: two-step verification is enabled, and do done. That's all. You are done with two-step verification. And number four, I want to discuss about the status messages. I don't want to give much introduction about this WhatsApp status messages because each and every hour you will be receiving some fresh status messages kept by your friends or family members or your relatives. Whatever it may be, this WhatsApp status, it will be visible to each and every one of your WhatsApp contact list. Even the WhatsApp status is also having some settings. You can change the settings according to your wish. Let me show you the settings. Go to settings, account, privacy, and then here you can see the fourth option, status. If you can see that my contacts accept and only share with. Here you can choose any option according to your wish. I'm choosing my contacts and then click on the done. That's all. Next, I want to discuss about the WhatsApp groups. When we have a look at our WhatsApp, we can find many number of groups like friends group or relatives group. Like this, many number of groups will be there in our WhatsApp. Up to here, we don't have any issues because we know the admin and other members in the WhatsApp group. There may be a chance an unknown person can create a group and they can add us in the group without our permission, which is not safe to us. To avoid such situations, there are few settings. Without your permission, no one can add you in any group. Let me show you that. This is also similar like setting the profile photo and WhatsApp status messages. Let me show you. Go to settings, account, privacy, and then here you can see the groups. Click on that. You can see three options: everyone, my contacts, and my contacts except. Here I'm choosing my contacts. It means that only my contacts can add me in the group. Got it? And then done. Next, I want to discuss about the WhatsApp photos. When we have a look into the gallery, you will get frustrated because all your gallery is filled with WhatsApp images. It is very difficult to delete each and every time when you receive the WhatsApp images. As the photos are getting piled up, all your memory is gone. What you can do that time? Let me show you. Go to the settings and then chats. Here you can see media visibility option which is turned on. If you turn off this one, whatever the photos or videos you are receiving through WhatsApp will not be downloaded in your gallery, and you can see only these photos and videos only in the WhatsApp. Next, I want to discuss is about the backup. Everyone knows about this backup, I think. Backup is nothing but saving your information in a Google Drive or in the eCloud. Why do we need to do this backup? Means you will not be losing your important information. It will be safe on in your Google Drive or in the eCloud. I would like to suggest before going for the backup, clear all the unwanted information and go for the backup. This will result you in storing only the important information. Apart from backup, you can go for the export even. Let me show you how to do the export of the chat history. Go to settings and then chats, chat backup. Here you can see the backup option. If you just press on the backup, whatever the WhatsApp chat history is there, it will be backed up and it will be saved in your Google Drive. And let me show you how to do the export of the chat. Select the chat whose contact you need to export. Open it and then go to the three dots. Here you can see the option more and then export chat. You will be getting two options: without media and include media. According to your wish you can do that. I'm going for without media. If you do this, you will be getting so many options. You can share it through WhatsApp or Gmail or in the Google Drive or whatever. According to your wish, you can export the chat into the Gmail or even Drive. This is how you can do the export of the chat history. You might have come across a situation, suddenly you want an important information or message you have received in the WhatsApp, but you don't know who has sent the message, in which group the message is, and when it is sent. What you will do that time? You will be scrolling up and down and you will be wasting your time. To avoid such kind of situations, what you can do to like this? Open the chat and whatever the message you want to save, give a long tap on it, and on the top of the bar you can see many options. You just press on the star button and the message will be saved in the starred messages. This is how you can save the important messages you want. And how can you check the starred messages? Means go to the three dots and here you can see the option starred messages. If you open that, and here you can see the list of starred messages which you feel important and you have saved it. Next I want to discuss is about WhatsApp web app feature. You are having a file in your WhatsApp which you need to take a printout. What do you do that time? Simple, you will be using this feature and opening your WhatsApp account in the laptop or computer, and then you can take the printout very easily. This is how this feature helps us. While using this WhatsApp web feature, you have received the message. How can you read the message? Simple. When you receive the message, move the cursor on the chat option and you will be able to read the message. Remember not to click on the chat option, otherwise it will be open. This is how you can read the message without opening the chat option when you are using this WhatsApp web feature. You might have come across some situations when you open your gallery, it will be piled up with large media files and you don't have enough time to delete even. What you can do during that time? Simply you can delete the larger files more than 5 MB. Let me show you how can you delete the files which are larger than 5 MB in WhatsApp in simple steps. Go to settings, storage and data, manage storage, and here you can see the files which are larger than 5 MB. If you open that, you can see the list of files which are larger than 5 MB. You can select the file whichever you want to delete and you can see the option delete. By clicking that, all the files whichever you don't want, it will be deleted. And lastly, I want to say how to check the media files on your WhatsApp. This is how you can check the media files in easy way. Open the app, give a long tap on the search bar, and here you can see the many options like photos, videos, links. You just open whatever you want, you can see the list of photos or videos. So friends, this is what all I wanted to discuss about the WhatsApp and its settings. Keep yourself all the WhatsApp settings secure mannered. Hope this will be the useful information for you and you all might be knowing all this information. Thanks for watching till the end and share this information as much as you can. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you. Thanks for watching.